it's the magical place. You don't win Indy 500 in the first lap. You might lose it on the first lap. You gotta understand, it's not a sprint race. It's a marathon. And the reason it's important to have the communication well with the crew because they are ready for every turn. My pit crew, efficient. You know, every time I get in the car, I know they prepare as best they could. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing.
During the race, we're always in contact, you know, through the radio, and we're talking about strategy. In a motorsport, you need to have complete confidence in your crew. I need to trust them that they do the best job they can, and then they need to trust me that when I jump in the car.
It's great to have that communication with the team. The strategy that you're going to have the entire race, it's important for you to understand how much those little details make a big impact.
It's key on the road and on the racetrack.
Every time I'm going to go 240 miles an hour in turn 1 in Indianapolis, the car is ready to do it.
This is, and always will be, the greatest spectacle in racing.